What are you doing? Remember, go like this on it. Sit on it. Sit on it. No, you don't do that. You sit on it like Sissy. Go like this. Don't go like this. Yeah. The evil baby. Okay. I really. What was that? Yeah, I really don't know where my slipper is, so. I've only found one. I need to find another one. I can't find it, so. Oh, shoot. Yeah, I really don't know where it is. Since the dogs don't have anything to do with it, my sister probably has something to do with it. Else it's in the laundry.
What?
Or else my other slipper's in the laundry.
Try looking in the
Alright, I'll look.
Kaylee, stop recording on that.